On this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Kali on your Windows operating system, right? So I want you to watch this video to the end so that you see all the process I use in installing Kali, right? If you're joining my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't miss. Alright, so we are going to do 3 steps installing this. The first step is we are going to install VirtualBox. Alright, the second one is we are going to download and install Kali. Alright, so because we are going to install the Kali inside the VirtualBox. So this Kali, you can use this Kali to crack any password. You can use it to visit random website like that. So let's go. So now we have Kali installed. So I'm going to extract this because Kali is a zip file. So I'm going to extract this. So let's go. Alright, so I'll just click on extracting now. Alright, so I'll click on this. Give it time. Give it time. Alright, so I will just extract it straight to the download folder. I don't have to create any other folder, so let's wait for a minute. Alright, so we are done installing. So I'm going to click on the first one that says Kali VirtualBox. So I'll just click on that. Let me see. Okay, starting virtual machine. So alright, so here now what I want you to do now, you are going to click on start. You are going to see a button here that says start. So I want you to click on start, right? And it's going to take you down to this page. You can see Kali Linux. Alright, so let's wait a little bit. It's still loading. Okay, so we are almost done. We are almost done. So you can just sit back and relax. Alright, so once you're done installing, so click on the full screen. Click on the full screen so you can widen things up, or you can just leave it for now. Still still on the process. So this Kali is just like having a Linux product, like operating system on your Windows system. So now you are having two computers. You have the Windows and you still have the Kali, right? So, but mostly Kali is used for cyber security activities. All right. So this video is for educational purpose. So now you're going to enter the password, and the password is going to be Kali. The username is Kali and the password is going to be Kali, right? Just Kali. Don't put Kali, Linus, blah blah. Just Kali. So you are going to sit back a little bit and wait. Alright, so I'll just click on view, then I want to widen the screen. So sit back, relax, everything is trying to boost, so relax. Now we are almost done. So you can see at the top here, we are good to go. So this is how you can install Kali Linux on your Windows operating system. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of a lot of tools that is inside. Tools that you can use in doing your phishing work, your cyber work, a lot of tools that I'm going to review to you, right? So now you can see that this is another system entirely. This particular system size here is different from the normal Windows screen, right? So anything you want to do here, you have to come to the Kali. This is the command prompts for Kali, so you can make use of it to write any kind of command. So let's check if Kali is config. So you could just type if config, then you click on enter. Yep, so we are good to go. So this is everything we need. So we have Kali set up on our computer now, right? So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys all the tools and how to use them. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.